Just walking down the path here at the farm we're staying at in Oregon, and all of these bushes are blackberries. And the climate, you can see this grass, it's yellow and crunchy when we walk on it. But the blackberries have these long red branches with pretty aggressive thorns on them. But down here you can see bunches of blackberries, just wild. So some of the branches have blackberries that are dried out, like these. I'm going to try these out. Wow, there's like 10 good ones in here. I just tasted it. It's good. Try not to eat the leaves and thorns. So if we can brave the thorns, get your hand in there to pick them. It's a yummy little snack on a walk on a hot day in Oregon.